I've had several messages regarding the entry arch that I use on my Halloween build, so I wanted to make a quick video and show you guys what I have, what I do, and hopefully this helps you out. I have a entry arch right here that I got from Amazon. Nothing special, maybe 30-40 bucks. I use these fence posts to secure it down. This actually just sits on the ground. It never goes into the ground. I use these fence posts here that I got from Home Depot. I think they're just 3 feet fence post. Hammer these down. I got one go in one direction, the other one go in the opposite direction. Repeat on the other side. And then I just take a bunch of zip ties all the way down, and that's it. All right, final product. Done with this thing. Again, I use these fence posts, hammer that into the ground. The arch just lays alongside it. Looks like I used 5 zip ties going up. I did actually add some tape here because this thing is 5 or 6 years old, just to reinforce a little bit, but pull it around, it's solid. It ain't going anywhere. Also forgot to mention that after I am done with Halloween, I leave this thing up, wrap it with Christmas lights, and get to use it for 2 different holidays. That is how I do it. Piece of cake. See ya.